Hey everyone, today we are going to replace the blades on a D130 lawn tractor, which means we're going to have to take this deck off, so we'll get to see that as well. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is support the edge of the deck with some wood. Okay, so now that the deck is supported, we're going to pull all the clips and slide the deck out. First pin that we're going to do is back here. Right there. You want to release some pressure on the deck. This will slide out easier. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is, we're actually going to pull this one out right here. We got to pull on it so that it releases that. We'll slide it back in there. So there's that pin. Next one's on the other side. It's right there. The next one is right here. It's right on the frame of the mower. It's going to be really hard to see. It's right there. Can you see that? Now that you have the back ones undone, it's actually going to be easier to lower this, so then you could have got to that a lot easier. So I'm going to do that on the other side. Okay, now let's go to the other side. And like I said, now that the pressure's gone, after you've removed these back ones, you don't really need the support here. That was just to relieve the pressure on the front. Now with that out of the way, I'm looking for this clip right here. Okay. Now there's a clip up here on the front of the deck, right here, that we need to take out. And this is an awkward one where you pull up on the back and pull it out. See, this part goes in and you pull that up to release it. Okay. Now there's one last, or actually you got to take this belt off. So we'll move the belt. Now that the belt is loose, there's one last thing you have to do, and it's this spring right here. It's hooked in right there, and you've got to pull it out, just like that. Now your deck is free to slide out. This is what we're going for. Now I'm going to clean all this out, clean the top off, and then I'll be back and we'll take these blades off and put the new ones on. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of maintenance here. You want to grease this point here, and this point here. These are for the brakes, automatic brakes. And manual just says to use some spray lubrication. There's also two places to grease, one here and one there with a grease gun. There's a grease zerk inside here that's really difficult to get to. 2 shots is what the manual says. Blades we're putting on. There's the part number. I'll put a link to where to get these in the description. I actually got these from my local dealer. They had a sale, a John Deere dealer. They had a sale that was going on, and it was actually cheaper to get them there than it was on Amazon. So that's where I picked them up. But you can pick them up on anywhere as long as it's that part number. Sure these are same length. Thing looks good on them. Okay, so just put it back on. Make sure the flare is pointing up. This is a 15/16 socket, by the way. There's a block of wood to block it up, and then you're gonna get your torque wrench. Torque these to 65 foot-pounds. Okay, so now we're just going to slide it back under there. First thing I want to do though, is get this mostly in here, put this spring back in. That is it. And that is how you change the lawnmower blades and remove the deck on a D130 John Deere lawn tractor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.